I want to become debt-free. I want to be able to take great vacations.
I want to live a good life.
I want to be able to quit my job.
I want to spend more time on the lake.
I want to become financially free.
No matter what your dreams are, they have one thing in common. Money. Extra money every month that pushes you closer to your goal. With all the ups and downs of the economy, life is simply more expensive than it used to be. Things just cost more, and each dollar doesn't seem to go as far as it used to. Everybody could use help making their money stretch a little further. Whether it's shopping online or hearing about sales from our friends, we're trying to get smarter about how we spend money. And technology is helping us do it. Relationships matter more than ever when it comes to who we trust and where we shop. The trend is called social commerce, and Wake Up Now is leading the way. Because smarter spending means more money left in your pocket. And the more cash you keep, the faster your dreams become a reality.
The fact that I don't have to spend hours a day looking for the free deals or, the best deal that's out there. It's all right there. I can find it in 5 minutes and call it good, and you have 30 things in your basket and $1 off each one. That's $30.
Wake Up Now sets you free by making it simple, easy, and fun to save, manage, and make money, all without changing what you buy.
Currently, my number is 32. When I came to Wake Up Now, it's 87. I have literally saved thousands and thousands of dollars just through this year that's not even complete yet. The Wake Up Now system, with the education and the software, helped me really take that number down by 50 months.
Wake Up Now hit me because it just made sense. And I like that they keep adding value. It's the same amount, it's an appreciating asset. You're paying the same amount every month and you're getting more and more value.
The cost of the membership is so low that it costs me money to not be a member of Wake Up Now.
So how do you save? Wake Up Now gives you a lot for your money. Imagine Wake Up Now as a wheel, and each spoke represents something valuable that you get automatically for being a part of it. Think about something you spend money on right now. Maybe you have a mobile phone. How would you like to save up to 22% on that bill every month with a corporate discount from Wake Up Now? With 11.6 million identity thefts last year, maybe you want to protect yourself against this cybercrime. Identity theft protection and insurance comes standard with Wake Up Now. Maybe your computer is running slow. Wake Up Now includes free system checkups by technicians. And it doesn't stop there. Wake Up Now includes a world-class suite of tools for tracking your finances, creating and managing your household budget, and software with built-in strategies from financial gurus for paying down your debts the fastest way possible. When tax time rolls around, Wake Up Now includes mobile apps that help you track expenses and pay the lowest legal tax, so you keep more of your money to put toward reaching those dreams. Maybe learning a language would help you advance your career, or you just want to be prepared for those trips overseas. Language learning software is included in your Wake Up Now product. How would you like to save on all of your online purchases? When you buy online at Target, the Home Depot, Best Buy, and over 2,500 other online stores, you save practically every time you make a purchase. Maybe you buy groceries. Save on those too. Maybe you buy office supplies, or eat out, or travel, or watch TV. Save on all of it. The savings are available wherever you are. And if your favorite place to eat or shop isn't on the list, there's even a way for you to add them. All of this, and before you consider the stuff that comes to you for the best price of all, free. Magazines, ebooks, tips, samples, and more, all free to Wake Up Now customers. Wherever your money is going now, you can probably make sure more of it stays in your pocket with Wake Up Now. Plus, Wake Up Now offers something you probably haven't seen before. The product is always growing. We add savings, product features, and new deals every month at no additional charge. Where can you get ever-increasing value for the same low monthly price? Answer: just here. Saving money and being smarter about your finances are a big help in getting you closer to your dream. Whatever your number is, spending less on things you already buy is a great start. But things get really exciting when Wake Up Now helps you make money by simply sharing the savings with others. The secret is out. Wake Up Now pays you more and pays you faster than any other network opportunity. Look how easy this is. Do you know somebody who'd like to save money? Sure. Everybody likes to save money. Take somebody to lunch and introduce them to Wake Up Now. Use your discounts to save money on it and track it for future tax deductions. As soon as your first referral signs up, you become a director. Find 3 in your first couple of months, and we pay you $100 every month. That essentially means your enrollment is free. Help those 3 find 3, and you're up to $400. Help others do the same, and your income keeps growing.
You can get anything you want in life by helping enough people get what they want. What we are doing here at Wake Up Now is giving people the power to be able to have financial independence in their lives. It's literally giving people the ability to save, manage, and make money. And our technologies, our compensation plan, are truly the best in the industry.
The more you share, the more you make, and the more your friends are saving. Wake Up Now wants to help you reach your financial goals by giving you that extra money each month that would make all the difference. So, what's your dream? What would it take to make it come true? In other words, what's your number? Wake Up Now is the answer. So,